Hello, my dear future employer. My name is Renalina B. Romero. I am 32 years old and I am high school graduate. I have a live-in partner and also I have 3 kids, 15, 13, and 7 years old. My weight is 49 kilogram and my height is 160 centimeter. My previous work as a domestic helper before in Kuwait, year 2018 to year 2020. 5 older members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children, age 86, and 3 years old. My duties is cleaning, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, ironing, and cooking. And of course, taking care of the children. And I'm finished contract. And also, I came back here in the Philippines. And then after 5 months, I go back again, but in Doha, Qatar. Also, as a domestic helper, year 2021 to year 2023. And 5 all the members of the family. As the same my duties, cleaning, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, ironing, and cooking. Finish contract, 2 years and 2 months. After that, I came now here in Philippines. And then, I have a sing for you. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above, are so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I hope you like my song. To my future employer, if you hired me, I'm do my best and I'm willing to learn a lot of things. And also, I'm stay to your family as long as you need me. And also, I am hardworking person, flexible, trustworthy, and honest. Thank you and have a nice day.